Hello guys! I'm about to sleep but I just remember that I don't pick clothes for tomorrow yet. So here we go guys. This is what I'm doing. So I'm preparing for tomorrow outfit of the day. Okay, so start. Let's start over here. Over here. Let me turn around my camera. I'll show you. Let's start the skirt. All right, so I'm thinking. Look at this. Is all is skirts here. All is skirts. So maybe this one. This one. That one. Oh yeah, yeah. So maybe. Oh here. Oh, this is the one I wanna wear. This is this skirt from Ate Angel. So what I do, guys, I bring the skirt to shirt. So now I'm look like I found a match. Okay. So maybe this is the match. Oh yeah, and then after that I'm going to shoes, and I know that Ate Angel gave me the shoes. So guys, tomorrow I don't wear boots. So the shoes, that guys, the shoes over here. Ta-da! This is not the boots. This is the shoes only. Those shoes. This the shoes. Some of my shoes. So what I do? Look, guys. So I found a match. Ta-da! So that's what I'm doing. That's what I do. So this is also from Ate Angel. Thank you, Ate Angel. So you see, guys, that's what I do. And then I I put together. There you go. That's what I do. I put together. You see, look. You see, look. So this is gonna be tomorrow outfit. You see. So you see, guys. See that. So it's supposed to be matching. Oh my goodness! I don't wear this yet. So the skirt is from Walmart. At the Angel give me this. She buy for me, and the shoes, I don't know where she